cluster of mushrooms here, a jumble of jujubes there, and a bevy of friendly insects flitting from flower to flower.
When we think of farms, we usually think of vast open fields, but there's another approach. I'm here at a place called Forested in Prince George's County, where owner Lincoln Smith has come up with an innovative approach to growing food.
It's called a food forest.
Forested is an attempt to figure out how we can work with the forest ecosystem to produce the food and supplies that people need and take care of the ecosystem, the same piece of ground. We are trying to figure out what can the forest produce in the way of food for people.
Founded in 2012, Forested is located on 10 acres in Bowie, and Lincoln hopes to stretch each one of those acres to its fullest potential by taking a cue from the forest itself.
When you look at the forest, it is an amazing assortment of different species all growing together. You can produce an acorn crop in the canopy high above the ground, and then underneath that you could be producing some persimmons or pawpaws, and then below that maybe some blueberries and currants and herbs, and then you can be growing mushrooms in the shade of all of that. So the potential for high yield is great.
But forest farming isn't without its challenges.
It becomes way more complex to manage than a typical monoculture. Monocultures have the advantage of being adaptable to mechanizing, so you can run machines through that landscape and do your harvesting, do your maintenance.
Whereas here at Forested, Lincoln and his team harvest everything by hand.
Yep, I've got a pole picker.
I stopped by to lend a couple more to the mix.
Lincoln, we got a ton of chestnuts on this tree. Are these ready to pick?
They are.
How can you tell?
Well, some of them will start splitting open.
Are these pretty nutritious? I know they taste good.
They are, yep. So chestnuts are an example of a tree crop that provides a staple food, kind of like the corn and the wheat that we're currently relying on from our industrial grain crops, in that they produce a quantity per acre that's in the ballpark of those grass crops, and nutritionally it's similar. So it represents kind of the potential for forest-based agriculture to play a major role in the human diet and in the landscape, the agricultural landscape.
Will the yields increase over time as this tree gets bigger?
Oh yeah, it's got a lot of growing to do. Indeed, the whole forest garden has a lot of growing to do at this point, but we're enjoying our first yields.
And soon I'll be enjoying them too, thanks to Food Forest volunteer Janine Smith. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Count me in.
Janine, this is a beautiful dish that you've fixed for us today. What do you call it?
I call this the Forest Garden Hash.
And it looks like it has all sorts of things grown in it.
All from the Forest Garden. This is a green cushaw squash, shiitake mushrooms, the seeds from the squash, roasted chestnuts, and some fresh greens from the Forest Garden.
I taste everything in it. It's really delicious. Well, we're going to put the recipe on our website at mpt.org/farm so you can try it at home. For the Local Buy, I'm Al Spoler. Joanne?
Thanks, Al. And for you at home, visit us at www.mpt.org/farm for all our Local Buy recipes. And if you want to look behind the scenes, don't forget to check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.